If you're at Raytheon right now, what decisions are in front of you and what do you do? Because there's a long-standing relationship, as I understand it, here between Raytheon and Saudi Arabia.
Well, Raytheon and all the defense companies, Raytheon has been in Saudi Arabia for over 60 years. It started with the Hawk system and now with Patriot. But the defense companies are largely going to try to stay out of the frag pattern. And while defense sales are important, they will not be directly involved and will want to stay out of the discussion between our two governments. So expect the defense firms to be quiet.
Well, it's very much on President Trump's mind, specifically arms sales, because he's been asked about it, and he said it's a really big deal. We don't want those sales going someplace else. We'll put up a chart here, actually, that indicates Saudi Arabia is a pretty big purchaser of arms from the United States.
Well, it is, but the defense sale issue is a red herring. It's quoted over $100 million. If you look the last 2 years, the Saudis have bought $4 billion of defense equipment from the United States. There is a wish list out there of over $100 billion. There always is, but they never buy all that. So at the centerpiece of the business conversation is not defense sales. The centerpiece of the business conversation is that the Joint Vision 2030 is focused primarily on moving to a private sector economy. In order to do that, the Saudis have to get foreign investment and they have to get business relationships. So what has happened here over these last couple of weeks has undermined Mohammed bin Salman's ability to attract foreign investors and foreign business relationships. So it has less to do with what the defense firms are doing, but his ability to attract individual investors.